This Key Allegro Real Estate property video is presented by Robin Martin. Adorable 3-1 coastal retreat with a carport/deck, remodeled bathroom, updated doors and windows in 2016 and a new roof in 2018. WPI 8 on file. Some piers replaced, beams repaired or replaced and re-leveled in 2016. Open living, dining and kitchen. A separate 1-1 cottage with approximately 200 square feet with a loft is located in the backyard amongst a tastefully thought-out landscaped entertainment area. Low-maintenance yard and a small greenhouse and storage building included. A perfect weekend getaway, starter home or investment property. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Martin at 361-729-3691.